Amazon. Here's your towel, Brady. Time for ligo. You wanna go ligo now? After the bath, Brady deserves a treat. Here you go, Brady. Good. Fresh breath, clean teeth, peanut butter flavor. This is his favorite, and as you can see, he really enjoys it. Says here, no brushing. A little bit brush on your side. Wait a minute. Brady doesn't really want to do these things like grooming. He hates that. But we'll try today and see if he will cooperate with us. I tried to bribe him with some treats earlier. I already fed. Is we're gonna use this easy clip starter from the brand Andes. There. I bought this from PetSmart. The original price of this one is $40, but I end up buying it for only $14.99 or something. It was on sale. Yay, I did it! I got some hair! If I don't get this right, Brady, I'm sorry. I will book an appointment for your groomer next week, okay? Sleepy. Yeah, that looks better, baby. Good trim. Oh, itchy, baby. Yeah, nice, oh. Good boy. So I will just wipe him down with this cloth. This is a pet wipe. I also from Topic Clean. I also bought this from PetSmart. After the trimming, remove that extra hair. Here. The brand of this one is Zacro from Amazon. Originally priced $25 and I just bought it $12.99. And it also comes with a clipper. I'm also not familiar on how to use this. It's gonna be my first time. I'll try. Maybe I'll use either this one or this one for today. I'm just gonna put this so that he won't move, or else I'll be cutting the whole finger. Sit like that, okay? Like that. And then we'll try one by one, because your nails are so long now and it's so overdue. Good job! How's that, Brady? It's mommy, okay? Mommy can do this. Let me just try one. I'm so scared to use this. Your nails are hard. I think we're done. We're done, Brady. We're done. Good job, Brady. You did great, Brady. Thank you for your cooperation, Brady. What Brady looks like after the grooming. He looks so neat and handsome. I use these wipes like on a daily basis, if twice a day, in the morning and at night time if we're going to bed, just to clean him up. And if he did some pooping. And this is a pet cologne. I use this if Brady is going outside. And this is deodorizing spray with apple and rosemary by Bird Peace. And it's 99.7% natural. That's why I love this brand from Bird Peace. And I just discovered this one, the Tropic Clean berry and coconut. This is waterless dog shampoo. So I wash or I bathe Brady once a week or every 2 weeks sometimes, so I can use this in between. And this is the shampoo mittens that I showed you earlier. So those are just some of the products I use for Brady's grooming. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you liked this video and showed you a little bit of how we do Brady's grooming. Take care. Enjoy.